We're in Lake Las Vegas. This is the Sarah model. You just got through watching the standing inventory, and here's what the home looks like as a model. With the front entry fort, patio, and from the front you see clear to the rear. Gives a nice warm open floor plan. Has a 4-bedroom option, 2,150 square feet, 12-foot ceilings, nice tall open floor plan where you got the kitchen, dining, and living room all in one layout. Nice covered patio. Warm and inviting backyard. Lake Las Vegas feels more like a resort than a community. Have great options for golfing, tennis, pickleball, biking, walking, running trails. There's a village with stores and shopping and dining. Just a great place to live and to visit. Plenty of counter space. The new homes are starting in the low 600s. Just walk around and give you a feel for the way the looks now. It looks like we're backing into the primary bedroom. It was a laundry room. Nice with a door on the laundry room so you can just close the door and not worry about it if it doesn't look great for neighbors, guests. In the primary bathroom is your water closet, double sink. Nice long deep closet, tall. You got tons of room for all your stuff. Stand-in shower, tub. The primary bedroom is separate from the other bedrooms to give you a nice quiet privacy. Can't get enough of that living room. Nice deep, long, tall pantry. Right next to the kitchen. Entryway. It's currently being used as an office, but it's a guest bedroom with its own full bath. There's your photographer. Nice little entryway, and then 2 additional bedrooms here in the front. It's a good sized bedroom. Another full bath. The additional bedroom. Well, if you like this video, please hit the like or subscribe button. And if you have any questions, you want to know more about Lake Las Vegas and new home construction, my contact information is below. I'd love to meet with you. Love to talk to you about this property and this community.